Welcome to Blacon House. Blacon House is a stunning 5-bedroom detached home set in approximately 2 acres of private grounds. Having been sympathetically refurbished and extended over the last few years, it offers extremely versatile living accommodation. The veneered oak panelled hallway leads you to the sitting room with engineered oak flooring, an exposed brick fireplace with wood burning stove. It makes a great family space. The country shaker style kitchen breakfast area has granite work surface, a central island with seating for 4 and opens into the air conditioned orangery with a lantern style roof. As you head up to the first floor, you find 4 of the bedrooms. The second bedroom with its own stunning ensuite, with tiled walk-in shower, travertine tiled floor and freestanding bath. The family bathroom has parquet oak flooring, a walk-in shower, his and her sinks and freestanding bath. The master bedroom is found on the second floor, again with its own ensuite, with double-sized walk-in shower, his and her sinks and freestanding bath. Blacon House sits behind electric gates in private grounds of approximately 2 acres. The property features ample outbuildings suitable for a variety of different uses. This stunning home is offered for sale with no forward chain. If you would like more details or to arrange a viewing, please contact Fine & Country on the details that follow.